Stay out a little. Okay, ready, film?
Yep.
Go ahead. Okay, hold up the CD so that people know you have Ryan Hanson CD.
Oh, let me zoom in on
So
that.
how do you like my music? Ryan Hanson CD, huh? And what's your name?
Marvin?
Marvin?
Yeah.
Okay, you never had chiropractic treatment before? This is a neck adjustment, okay? Okay, put the CD down. And now, you never had it before, right? Okay, now this is your experience, okay? Drop your neck down. Good. You listen to it. Okay.
What the hell? Go down.
Drop your neck down. Okay. Ready? Relax for me. Good. That's it.
That's it?